for the next 3 hours so you can get out and play.
Then at 3, Nick's coming back with some of your favorite shows.
And tonight, be here for Nick's new Saturday night.
We got new episodes of Haunted Hathaways, Henry Danger, Nicky, Ricky, Dicky, and Dawn.
And us on the Thundermans.
Wow, that's a huge night. I can't wait.
But first, it's time to go play. And we have a bunch of friends with us to help us count down to the shutdown. You guys ready?
All right, let's do this.
Here we go.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go
It's Nickelodeon's Worldwide Day of Play. We're getting out and getting active, and you should be too. We'll be back at 3.
Accurate forecast.
Hey everyone, I'm ABC2 Chief Meteorologist Wyatt Everard with your latest weather here online and on mobile.
The following message has been requested at the Contra Costa County Emergency Management Agency. There has been a gas leak at the Safeway fuel station in Pleasant Hill, California. Residents are now asked to shelter in place until an all-clear message is given. For more information, please tune into your NOAA weather radio, TV outlets, and internet sources, or even commercial radio, for the latest information.